for higher GC News. Mima Obibia Akwaba had the latest hot and I'm a Bramo. And so you subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. The way I say we click the subscribe button, Now we barely notification. We have video for be upload when the first person once Ebeka a year's video. Afi we are now like video no give us a thumbs up now fi share my for so that when you be here now we and somewhere also Ghana memo hanum. Afi yimbura ye somewhere abeto yapono so yinkuti a year's report here about to mama yiti a year's answer me.
One of the turning points are me what you may be good friend. Obokede Japan.
Yeah.
We released statement the office of the former member of parliament, Obokede Japan. Baby Obia. And reading the statement, I feel that we should begin to think a statement and to have Ghana at heart.
Sure.
And to ensure, say, whatever interest I perceive as Ghanaians, the Ghana percentage should always supersede personal interest.
Yeah.
That continues to be the challenge. Now, let me read out the statement from the office of the former member of parliament. The position on this matter, which I feel, say, maybe to calm nerves down a bit.
Yeah.
I am following with deep concern the recent escalation of tensions in Boko and its surrounding areas. The cycle of violence and reprisals continues to harm innocent lives and disrupt our path to national unity. At this crucial moment, I urge all parties, especially the youth, to choose peace. No matter how deep the grievance, violence is never the answer. Our future depends on peaceful coexistence. I commend President Mahama for committing to the 2-4-82, the second-led mediation process, originally set up by President Akufo-Addo. This is true statesmanship, putting Ghana above partisanship. Let us support this effort wholeheartedly. When Boko is at peace, Ghana is stronger. We must move forward together. And this is coming from the office of the former member of parliament.
Okay, for Asin
Central. And I know Crown Mekika say Mekika Adamat is BAB or New Patriotic Party in
Okay.
And I understand that or he has a talk or Cambridge on the 9th to 10th of May and Oxford on 24th to 25th.
Okay.
But that aspect of politics there be NPP.
Okay.
But this is a message from
fantastic, and this is a pure sound mind message from Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan. This is how I believe say we should be charting the path if indeed as a mind it shouldn't be about me MPP ninety and NDC no power yenka jangum nenyo jamum enfantwa ban no se na ban no behye no. It shouldn't be say me NDC ninty no baby o say to ma me fant ma me ka de betimi afavor me party ne ko. This is a talker a betimi aboa ame nyina come together me hu say baby ababedu no. We should accept our fault, find a lasting way. We should be
forgiven.
That is it.
Because see, you being to be Francho. We should be forgiven. Because if we are not, and we had a conversation on Belgium.
Yeah.
That was where Stuttgart, a year Brekum West, member of parliament, and Alfred Thompson. Is that correct? Yeah. Kojo Thompson. And also Ewoso. And the matter hinges on say the issue of forgiving ourselves and opening up a fresh chapter. Because Ufa Benkuma,
that is it.
So if you try to even navigate and make sure say and no nobody is prepared already to forget about those things. So how do we progress? Another funny critical area on the matter of tariff increase, electricity. But the credit say me per se it has been influenced by all of us. It has been influenced by all of us. If we start apportioning blame, which we can easily do, getting the results for this solution at Bokono, peaceful solution at Bokono, and a problem. Now see how Kroman say, only pa mampenyin kurano, edi to me ni jidi ashenimu, and then the real ashenimu say, obeti me can be former shumjabana. Look at the number of times our politics and our newspapers and then our media houses. Look at the number of times yama kwai, ama yamfe ni diema sebi any partisan.
Yeah.
In this country. Now, who to go to? Our go-to person, Krano, a problem in this country. Why? Okofa Samjona and I say, Okofa wine, and our castle could be any no cancer, Okofa wine, and the space is being enjoyed with impunity, and nobody wants to talk about this. Brana Esla Ushuonum.
Yeah.
Minister Michelle Baby.
Communication Minister.
Yes, Michelle Baby Obia. Yeah. One of the key things that they did that many Obi transnational mechanics, Obi. If we don't regulate our social media space,
yeah.
If we don't regulate it, na yesoso nyoma swa, where in this country, nyoma ye abnormal and ye normal in our sights. It is pass ye jini, say the kumbo kaino, ne achichi no mind. No, man, that yet me jina pampino. That ageno. We've lost it.
Yeah.
What we do in this country now is that our solutions to problems are knee-jerk and political solutions. If you do knee-jerk solutions in political solutions, and no number one, that is your efficiency form. 2, and I'm a poem doing some efficiency form. 3, and I'm a membro do donor rakoshe betting. 4, and no number a man yourself about the most important number one
and
job.
Creative business in Ghana. That's the only business that you want to become rich overnight.
This is the country that we are building.
Yes.
This is the country that you are building.
People are killing, people are lying, people are murdering, people saying to be at the forefront.
Completely.
While other countries are building businessmen and women who hold up their country. This is a country no man come to a standstill. Nobody moves, nobody comes in. A country built on people are very successful through politics. How can we survive?
Nana Obribwahi, former deputy general secretary of the New Patriotic Party or party. Na was a historian, was a mrenim ni kesepa. Brucha bim na Nana Obribwahi me watching.
Oh, that's the Joshua.
Asama meba swap the din kind Boko conflict. Na obi beka se yes se awari egunkuru e de ba de na ewom a efuole sa de ya bepem ne ma de bi sem.
Okay, na I said I make trust you. Mama man caveat no say I see myself as Kusasi because Kusasi Bokuna Babia Obaya Okone correction Oye Juma was in civil aviation. And I doubt for Pamo Mena Papa. Mama until I'm not just a Mayakano or Mamma or something. He treated me like on one back. Eti mena meka tabako semno amama nya dobi ama Kusasi the same time so mesai odo mama mputi. Why? Because my mama no yana politics amekwa na yiri do me to things na we onokre konti na tawasem atana mama ba ye mamputi nti obia and when I go to Wale or no metin not Dabi betterment now what do many are not preoccupied. So I see myself also as Mom Christian and then Dr. Baumia also his brother. That he will tell me now. More me must not tell you be a nitty I am Mom Christian nothing with us. And I am also a man Christian nothing with us. So with the very objective presentation another man among and to be with India. Now, another objective presentation is that But about some of my clinical man, it looks like because for no more around 15 or 16 something. Let's think, I may be wrong, I may be right, but it's an objective presentation and I may. But you know, the Boko issue is so complex, so delicate, complex and delicate. Well, there will be our kind of have a beer because the first Boko Naba, now Ali Atabia, on about 1721 to 1732, 1721 to 1732, and that third Boko Naba, no, you could add Mampuchini, and the old Java, that third Boko Naba. No, man pushing it. Okina abuang manaso, ana senya mafu that okina two national. Wasana bestawo ndalembu. The second Bokunaba, aye nino na yakintano. Na alibia uzaba. Also over 1733. To 1747, 1733 to 1747. Now, the records also say the third Boko Naba, and also the former Atabia Mampaga, na Yakubu Atabia Mampaga, 1748. To 1753. In fact, in the book of Union, already pinned there, then I can't show. Until 2 no, let me a career, I mean to me, Kaidino, and it says, therefore, look out the billing Jaya, on 5 chairman, to the name the nobody no pay. The big no from here. Mekan. Now the fourth one is the Yano. Now, I leave off. 1754 to 1764. 1754 to 1764. Then Nama 13. 1765. So, because my number be no framing. 18 or from the many district because I can't mean a year now, but the man one kind of a friend, Papa, I am thinking. Now, Boko problem no Empire CPP regime. The Papa Benina CPP Apane.
And a chassis.
And a chassis. CPP ENDC NDC CPP ENDC NDC. Okay, and we've been in there. So,
this old chim, but I don't know.
Good. Major, not sure that my police might say that. And I'm not sure you could ask a master monkey. No, so it looks like at the time, a lot of years now, but in June 1957, now, it means that no pushing for Bokuna about for 236 years. I look of the offense. I look of the offense.
And I'm a pushing for Nadi.
Abadi.
Answer no. Say, you Kusasi for no. Commodore say man pushing for. They then traditionally and one timid baby, sir.
No, the Kusasi is no only centralized system. You know, I'm one of friends in the mama. If you look into the history of this country, it wouldn't get here. Those who have the centralized system, that is the Brabano, may lack of activity. It is really the no, the centralized people, no centralized group of people, don't know time bi ya no so mo from no me pasa no be ye kan no a me kan na man for edi ma the centralized one no ebi ni gonja no matter whether you are the Bollywood or the Bupewura or the Wasipewura, obi was sort of a funny Yabowura. Nti, Ukotuma, and I Uba Ukotunani. That is a centralized system. Centralized system must be no Asante for. From 1700, we have Mampo, Alfonso, Aguna, Kukufu, Joshua, Fomeno. Munyano moko hamontoma ekre ne ewoso no that's the centralized no so ebini mamprisifo you can be the wale hene, you can be the bambaga, you can be the gunku yoyo munyana mo ya nkese munyana mo ya nkese. But bitter musoro, your musoro no, your friend no yiri. But what is the natural?
Me too, pa.
But another centralized ones will be so made the gomba for. You can be the chief of Bolong. You can be the chief of Kumburu. You can be the chief of Sablugu. You can be the chief of Diari. You can be the chief of Helen. Also, we are centralized, no. Obi was through. You was through, no. Your friend Yana. What in the nature?
Me too, pa.
My name is number 44. That's what was centralized. Eti Moso Bimbilana or so. But when you're doing history and chieftaincy, the one to man that is like distinction, one. From focus, because you don't obey anything. And then I am now, Bebo need to pa, Yabula, Bebo need to pa, Nayiri, Bebo need to pa, Bimbilana, Bebo need to pa, Akapene, Bebo need to pa. Now, Obrigwa who called the master, the Modi in park. Because historically, no, when women are coming in, they are centralized. And in history also, you will learn that centralized system not make coming in. That is in 1700. All the Yakura. So the Gonja, the Bumba, the Nanumba, the Mampusino, then you know, and then even we veer off and get to Mosi of Burkina Faso. Also, I centralized, but Mosi, Ninian Mampusi. Now, going back to Baku again, so it is possible, sir, because the Kusas is no one centralized, no. Biat, maybe Boko, Kidama, on a Japanese. And to know among come with me, when is centralized. But, like I'm telling you history, no? History has that from 1721.
Nana, first track, no? Again, a coffee problem, no buy. No, when more, now, man, for not in bed 200 and something years.
36 years.
36 years. Until a coffee problem, you buy.
So, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, there was an intimate, but of course, the Kusatis were complaining. They were complaining. But Dr. Kwame Nkrumah set up a committee. And that committee, no, now, Opoku Birimkano Afri Yabua. The Opoku Afri, any Tumuhene, now, Omoya 3-man committee, and Dr. Nkrumah for more. And the committee didn't recommendations to buy it. I want to talk about the canton. Then the more proceedings went to court. No court in trial. One Nkrumah committee recommendations. So, and I said, CPP not filed an appeal to the Court of Appeal. The CPP filed an appeal to the Court of Appeal. Then in 1962, now, he was forced into exile. Good. So, I don't know. Let me come and come in 1966, 24 February 1966. And therefore, NLC no obey law the NLC decree 112. NLC decree 112 no of 1957 about that. You be a Kwame Nkrumah Eji Wakunya. And I will be a CPP about 2 free so. And I will be a CPP about 2 child than no. Sanabra from what Kwame Nkrumah Peja no, but from what Kwame Nkrumah Tamono, or for Wakunya. So this is also another problem. Yeah, I'm from only the CPP. But NLC decree will so the problem be a buyer. So because of this NLC decree, no, I command the man pushes no omoko eskene obi, and that was the 14th Bokunama in 1957. So you can imagine. So that is a problem. No, dear, I am so the problem. No other in the 50s. In the arrival of the CPP in the political scene, and therefore, from the 1950s, and as the 1952, 53, 54, we start to form a factor support the CPP. Because they want support to PNDC, because they want support to NDC. No pressure from because the Nairi was a patron of the Northern People's Party, which was formed in April 1954. Mampusi forms of Pakistan attitude. Pakistan Northern People's Party. Maybe I cannot be joining United Party. Maybe the Huna Mane on the Kwame Nkrumah. Maybe you have the Famundi on the NLC. Maybe can be on the example. That has been the tradition and the history. In terms of politics, what are problems? But no, we can't come in and copper. Remember, I'm not sure yet, Mampusia, Marcia, I'm not sure you could say, Marcia Mampusia. I think that towards this issue is the new patriotic party. The one idea, and yes, I'm here MPP in America. And yes, I'm here MPP. What? As I said, I'm talking about we machine, we the new patriotic party, yes, so the party, Yabino, Okoboko, now open here, Henabako, and then now Abu Dragon, now Abu Dragon, or you could say that is since 1950. The only time I abandoned to me, Kudro,
no, your court decision and now a binding decision, and ultimately install is a
binding decision, legislative instrument.
No, or in the it is grounded in what? And I will tell you two animals.
I think that we did some people from yes. But what's no? A church, then paying back to the penny. You can pay, you can step by this legislative instrument. No, Same Nana Abdanko Akufo-Addo. I'm a bad Chile Baumia. I a party MPP. Boku, was for first way. Prime Minister. Toko Urabako Kuruma. Na Abu Zagunu, Ayo Kusasino, or any of the Konaba. Many will react to parents. This is a very government. But to me, any could do any of because I think about said, now we are Mampusin.
That's a bind so. Who was one young woman who to see it?
Made the master. Only a banner than no see it.
Aye.
Yes, but a banner see hero, whom to hero. That has been bold enough. So look, this is the law we've made. If you are not agree, if you don't need to one, on your back.
Eddie, are you over? We're being Cassan, you're more banner pants one, and I'm also more fuel because I buy a cuisine in the air. Nah, a woman more back at it. Now then I won't be seeing a may.
No, there was a Bakunaba. No, after the Russian came, running and the PNDC decree, the PNDC law be by. And PNDC law now at the ban, Rollins gave protection to Bakunabana or Yokusashin. But also the maternal.
I said, maybe quite young, the American
never.
Mati.
If you Rollins gave protection about that was the PND. Subsequently, the sitting and a book which has Nabano home panic the new Patriotic Party. That was in 2020. But when I hear fire, online. AP, so you can hear Yaman or someone. No woman or someone, and Ghana, Yaman. And Kusasi for Kwambaka, the Kusasi maybe you're well informed of the American, not so come up and Kupora. I'm people going, the time of my idea. Because the risk woman said, with the passage of LI 2409, no one pushing for us to be in wolf. One pushing for us to be in wolf. But one will go up. And also a limit because the all new Patriotic Party, actually region back home. That is the northeast. Now, why yes, sir? Compliments a year to the back. Now, the president of the regional House of Chiefs. And the no, yeah, but what the now is a preaching war. Then, as usual, our brother, when I make us the trouble life, and I'm a very honest and principled politician, historian, and honest lawyer. Now, President Mahama, Wako, now Wako correct. Again, the young man of what? But they didn't matter. And this was what? With a quantity boko. They didn't maboko. Pincham maboko. And the people accepted that because they are also boko. A million especially me, I may fire, Mampushi, and I find you Christian. You wish a million and I was one. And I will come after. And I'm out for Japan. And I'm back to Obama. And I was. Na Egusua, Nitokumi, Egusua, and of course.
Say, the way forward, you say.
Very good. Very good. I don't know the way forward, and I don't remember cancer. Mensadam instead of Kushasin you, Mampusin you, Leo Bribuan. Well, Mensadam instead of the Pamun actual. Among a family, intimate for Yantokano Marine. It is a matter of a million we are just not check. And you know, me, I home. That's Mamma Yaraga, no mamma, Mum pushing. Mamma Yaraga, no mamma, Mum pushing. So you're cutting your dinner, President Mahama, can you? You're cutting your dinner and some crop for carriage. You're cutting your dinner among your some phone carriage. And can you tell me nothing you? So my passionate appeal is that one. Setting up for someone pushing for baby Konyana from 236 years. So, Kusati for a matter of we are brothers and sisters. Let's put down our guns. Let us put down our guns. And let's sit down together. In doing this, we must also involve the Guruma people and the Bisa. Because Guruma 4, Bisa 4. When I young say, young man pushing for, and young Kusati for, young Kwana, no. And my humble appeal is that, because the Mahama or two from what, my Saturday I was in Kumasi. What in a more Kumasi? But but next week we have a demonstration. Seven years, say Otumfo, in na Kevin Taylor name and this bloggers in B. The Pia baby too fast. We are making it was on Sunday when I met a group of people. Yeah. One night, sad demonstration now, Mopesa Muyana, Mesram, even could get for my child. Mama, I said, some of the Mahama, young for more truthful. Several 2 4 years at Bumba, already my. The name of 2 4 bar. No, your mama did the man on herself. No, it's the turn on to Kusasi man priests alone. On for Guma, any business for income. And I'm a in my own small room. So, 2 4, okay, say, committee number, say, about Kusasi for the Kodaha, over Papa, Papa Lubert, man priests for Subaha, Papa, I agree. I was sacrificed. Me cocoa. Major settlement. Because you know, send a minute coming, one person near Minia, Kusasi near Minia. As some number, a young as some number, with late people have lived together while the middle mouse at 1721. But I might not come. So, look at the Baba President Mahama. Sabi, if you know me, agony. What do you do vote for? Then go. I pay your vote. But you go cafe. And this war, Abanimwa. I should dream for quite me boko. No, this yaba. Now every December after about. I did not have something. What can you say? So I beg my brothers and sisters, the Kusasis and the Mampusis, we are people now. Please, let me entrenched stamp. We should entrench and say, yeah, and this is for Casano. Then your boots, with the Yasia, Mr. O. Then you could question this one. Not the coffee, but the Mahama Khan. No Kaya should give about, I should give them my idea, very Yasia. Also, Mr. O. Even go to get a watch. And looking at the historical Media man, but what's them? Young set to non-coho. We are necessary.
Okay.
We are necessary. We are no better. We are necessary. Remember, I'll be the guru boy. I said, we shall see for about the hotel. If you buy a couple of days for the cop, Mom, please for about better about no idea. The never man on Fred and Uncle. Just if you better manner the question, I will do it. Because the person is so dedicated and dear to me. And so don't it unlike the Abudu and Danny and the Dagomba one. Abudu and Danny, the same group of people. One ancestor. Nobanya Pokwa. Also what? And Yadam. Also what? And Yadam. Memphis says, Abia to say when you pay anybody for Benyan Pokwa. One ancestry. Manabaku. Also what? And Yadam. But the way no ending. And that my prayer is that Mr. Benyan member. Why were your politics in the why would you say you shorten your standard? I am prepared to accept you. But why should be your entrance? And you know, the NDC, I must be honest, has put the real problem for the country. What? What prison you know? One prison for no, Cosino, Bakunaba. Na Loringo no. Court issue bench warrant. But call Bolaga High Court. The law no cause some concept aside. Court of Manti but the bar court of appeal. Baby Gibim no. You know, not a crab in the baby asset.
Now, and no can be na yeah, Dr. Alaji Mahmoud Baumia, Utimi Lusu, those areas, you know.
Yeah, but let's be very honest. Already Baumia de Tinibabi. Already Baumia de or Tinibabi. Like I said,
but one so was a semi by ye, while your campaign went to me, Uncle Hoda.
Oh, okay, but I know or check him. Why? This after Yabua, and I said, Opoko for a committee which was from 1958. I mean, never Baumia. I don't know Baumia. Is that a victim of circumstances? The Iba Baumia. Fast forward. Now no ya, na your back court of appeal. They are your personal matter. And I want appeal. And a court of appeal here. Anything about Alaji Baumia, I catch a court of appeal, it's a Baumia asset Banuana. No be a million. None this is from the Namsa. Oh, Baumia. Alaji Baumia, a cautious slam a court of appeal. And sometimes the unpleasant politics. I won't use the word the dirty politics. But let it be a little refined and use the unpleasant politics. Nobody should want about me. Don't none of us are Manoa. They're seeing him in one. Then you should bench one answer. Nana was a Bakunama. The 1967 almost. And until the right court of appeal in Ghana. Only we are to be a so Boko not. Only the Biaki. Take a Boko. And then that is it made us say, more than Lady more than people. I said, Danaba court of appeal in Ghana. Nobody said Danaba Boko. And look at what generated. And what has generated. Yes, this type of campaign, this type of politics. You can't be surprised this type of politics. So they Boko and you don't come. But then to Abama, we are. After that, they say, "Oh, Baba, that's or two first campaign, with the Boko and some other Mao Amawaka." And the man said, "Baba, the two first campaign after no, unpaid. I'm not from the brain, more than a you find them sure among yourself. Oh, find them sure. I think that's a good idea. What is the better resolve a Bokwasimo? Or too far something. But it's just the Mahamad said, you wouldn't say. Because social media, the NDC bloggers, including the couple of Titi, or couple of Titi, or the California campaign on Keda, on Buddha. China yet to your company. So, in concluding, this is my submission. We're serving now. We're serving now. Non-prison. We saw them and said them. We go to get. What's the name? Non-prison, what's the name? Something like that. We saw something like that. Pizza. Something like that. Guma. Something. What's the disafration? Otina before Asian. What to wear the Asian, the Asian, but security reasons now. Link. Before Asian, I won't come. Link. Because they know that I can play a major role in this matter. The Bodo and Daniel, I played a major role to the extent that on 21st December 2018 and 22nd December 2018, the Diane. Can anyone come in question when Namaya to From the Namona says to them, following Nagane, no Bribuan, and I do fat. But my loyalty, my relationship with them. The true point that means Chamu Abrabupeura, no Haminko Bupeura or Encocham. What I said, and you want that they may send up a children. Once again, what was him now? We are keeping you, we are NDC new. We are come up to myself. Like I am everything, not as the Mahama. Those comments now here, not escalating. But it's a human being. Not as the Mahama, you are self forgiving. I am saying go and sin no more on this book.
Man, and I say no pay.
After the phone for man, now complete Mr. Mo. Sorry. A cover with 2-4. The more can more young modino, like I said. What gets been a 99.something%. What gets are known to the NDC. I bear so far. That Mr. Mo, most of the Saddam. Because maybe or 2-4 may call on say Boku case in better than the amount. That's a break. Shamania, all the time they'll be back. He will never say they'll be back. Obian Afghanistan, Then my employee means also. We are so. We am like you could certainly someone pushing that. On Chiam, Gurumani, so be sending that. That's a group on the Casano. Yaya, when we move forward in this country.
Mama na wase no pay.
What about that?
Meso be da se pa na Obribwa hin former deputy general secretary.
You waiting for winning and someone about beto yapono so meka say so you subscribe to channel idea bomodi say over subscribe. Now while like video don't give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu and someone koso e wo Ghana memoir. Also betimi achre wadwen afa yen someone nyira ho e wo comment box mu. Obeti menka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.